Also, actually, this is one of the items I got. So here you go.
Oh yeah, nice. Hello.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video featuring Damian. So today we're going to be doing, I feel like I've seen this around on YouTube quite a bit. Now Shein kindly sent me some clothes. Not only did they send me clothes, but they sent you guys a discount code so you can save some money on clothes that are already quite reasonably priced. Yeah, you can get your mum some stuff actually.
Interesting.
But no, so, whoa, it's actually quite heavy. They were very generous. Jeez. Oh! Here is the package. So yeah, so we're just going to go through them. See if you can get... Do you have an idea of what women's clothes cost?
No, not really.
Alright, so we'll see. So just remember, it's reasonably priced.
Cool.
So if you guys like the sound of that, keep watching and let's go. Okay, so the first thing is this dress.
That's pretty cool packaging.
Yeah, it's nice. So, here we go. This is the dress. Have a feel, have a look. It's it's nice quality, right?
Yeah.
For summer especially.
I'd say 37.
Interesting. Is that your final answer?
Maybe 27.
27. Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. £20.
That's close.
But yeah, it's actually, I'm looking forward to wearing this. You will definitely be seeing this on my Instagram. You should get something matching.
Booby top.
No, it's not gonna happen.
No.
There we go.
Nice.
So here you go.
Okay, so I think this one is $14.99.
Okay, we will see. $16.99. Not bad. Now we have, this is my favourite. My favourite thing in life ever is a two-piece. It makes me sweat, not chicken.
Oh yeah, two-piece.
No.
That's my favourite thing.
Yeah, I know that's your favourite. But
It's going to land on your head. What the hell is this?
it's a top. It's like a...
Oh, booby top.
Yeah, a crop top. And then it comes with these trousers. There you go, let me show you it on.
Oh, okay. When would you wear it?
I don't know, I guess like on a summer's day, Disneyland.
I don't like it, man.
No way! I mean, we're gonna go, obviously, so when we go.
Yeah, when we go.
So how much would you say that is?
$18.99.
$15.99.
Women's clothes are quite cheap.
Yeah, they actually are. Guys' clothes are a lot more expensive, right? How much was your top?
30.
So it costs more than this whole outfit. Next up. So this is a top.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's like a boob tube.
Like the other one.
Yeah.
Boob tube.
I feel like with this, I feel like I could wear it separately. Yeah, it's gonna be so. Hopefully the sun stays. So this looks like a skirt, but then it's got a split in the side.
Where's the split? Oh yeah.
Voila! I feel like I could wear them separately as well.
And this one will be $16.99.
Alright. £26.
Well, that doesn't make sense. How are they pricing this stuff?
Great material for summer. I'd highly
material.
recommend it because you can be covered out if it does get like breezy in the evening, but still. Also, actually, this is one of the items I got. So here you go.
Oh yeah, nice. Hello.
This is what it looks like on.
So this one looks really good. I think this one was around 21, 22.
22. Oh, 22! Because I like two. $17.99. Oh, I feel like it's going to be a bit interesting for you to work this out. We have...
What's this?
Think of the vision, okay? So this is a skirt. It's another two-piece.
Two-piece. I need the two-piece right now.
And this is the top. It's got a drawstring, so you pull it, and then it's like that.
What's this?
Those are the sleeves.
This is quite funny. think that's $15.99 as well.
Really?
Yeah.
It's $19.99, but close.
Wow.
But again,
It's
good
quite
material.
nice. Yeah, it's very
Like it looks like it could be satin or something, but then it's like not to sweat too much. I'm ready for Disney. This is such a Disney thing.
Yeah, it is. Well, you can't wear it when you go.
We? Hey! Comment below if you think I should go to
No, don't
Disneyland.
comment.
I really like this top actually. It's giving me like a Tommy Hilfiger vibe. It's like a little crop top type vibe. So you can wear it with shorts, with jeans.
That's nice. That's $4.99.
You could be right. $5.99.
Oh, no, it's not
If you get one right on spot on, you win a prize.
What's the price?
But
Oh, okay.
got another two-piece. So this is the top.
How is that even a top?
Trust me, it
I don't
stretches.
think my leg would fit in.
Try it. Wait, show it on. Get stand up. Put your leg. Gives me like a Clueless kind of vibe. Not that you know Clueless. Do you know Clueless? No. Yeah. Great film. Get it. We should next movie night. That's what we're watching.
Nah.
Yeah. Please. Yeah, how much do you think this is? What are you thinking?
Yeah, $9.99.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, it is.
$11.99. This is so cute.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
This. I feel like this is such a holiday kind of vibe.
Definitely. Okay, this one. Show me what it looks like. $14.99.
Is that your final answer? Do you want to phone a friend?
No. Yeah, wait, hold on. Let me.
No, you're gonna. How much did you say?
$14.99.
Oh, £13.
What?
This one is quite different to what I usually go for. This is very what's the word? Conservative. It's a long skirt, but then I like pitch it up a bit at the side. So another two-piece.
What's this?
To the top, it's right
Oh,
brown.
you tie it up.
Yeah. And then this is the skirt.
Oh, okay.
So this is what it looks like. So what I
Okay.
did is I bring up the side a bit, so it comes up like that a bit.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, you see, fashionista, you see what we're talking
Yeah,
about.
no.
Do you say no?
How much is it?
So, wait, you looked! Did you look?
I didn't see yours before.
How much do you think it is?
20?
26. This is the final one, your last chance for this prize. How are you feeling, Damian? Do you feel like you've got it in the bag?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright.
Got the bag. I'll swim with.
Yeah. So this is, I feel like yellow. I've always wanted a yellow bikini. And, oh, so this ties.
Okay.
I'll show you it. So, this is what it all comes down to, Damian. Is that your final
Yes.
answer? Are you sure?
Yeah.
You don't want to go higher, you don't want to go lower?
No, it's not fun.
You're sticking.
Yeah.
$8.99. Oh. So close. That is it. That is all of the stuff. Really good price, I'd say.
very good.
Quite reasonable.
Affordable.
Yeah, very affordable. I think this would look fantastic on you. You can have that. So that has been, I guess it was boyfriend guessing the prices, a bit of a try on haul as well. Like I said, all the items will be linked. Where are they going to be linked?
Down below.
Hey, come on. And there will be a discount code for you. You will get this much off. And the discount code will be down below. So yeah, feel free to check out the site if there's anything, if you liked any of these things, anything else you saw online you liked, check it out. Everything, just to put into perspective, was size extra small, except for the bikini, which was size small. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to
Like,
comment,
subscribe.
all that good stuff I'm going to ask you to do. Please do. And I'm just rumbling now. And I don't really know how to end this, so I'm just gonna